In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds using QuickBooks Online, ensuring your financial records are accurate and up to date. Let's dive into the process together, and by the end of this guide, you'll be confident in managing your fund transfers seamlessly. To get started, you'll first need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. For this, open up Google Chrome or whichever browser you prefer, and head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. Enter your username and password, and this will take you directly to your account dashboard, setting you up for the next steps. With your QuickBooks account open, the task at hand is to navigate to the Transfer Funds page. On your dashboard, the left-hand menu is your friend. Seek out the option that says Plus New. Clicking on this opens a range of possibilities. You'll want to look for the section marked Other. Under this, there's an option labeled Transfer. Click on it, and you're all set to start entering your transfer details. Now that you've arrived at the Transfer Funds page, it's time to dig into those details. Start with the Transfer Funds From field, carefully selecting the account from which you plan to transfer funds. Your next stop is the Transfer Funds To field, where you'll indicate the recipient account. Follow this by entering the precise amount you wish to transfer into the Amount field. Accuracy is key here, so take a moment to double check that all entered information is correct. Next, you'll need to input the date of the transfer. Use today's date or specify a future date if needed. While not mandatory, there's a memo field available which can be handy for adding any personal notes or comments to the transaction for your future reference. With all the details settled, it's time to save your work. You'll find options to either save and close if you're wrapping up, or save and new if you want to quickly move to another transfer. Choose the option that fits your need, and rest assured that your transfer is securely logged in the system. The final step is to ensure everything has been recorded accurately. Head over to the accounting section of your QuickBooks and then look into the chart of accounts. This is where you'll verify the integrity of your transaction. Check both the From and To accounts. The From account should show a reduction by the transfer amount, and the To account should reflect an increase by the same figure. This verification step is crucial for maintaining balanced and precise books. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide on transferring funds in QuickBooks Online. By adhering to these instructions,